Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for board exams. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus, noting all topics and their weightage. Next, gather all necessary study materials, including textbooks and past papers. Then, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time for each subject. This structured approach ensures you cover everything efficiently and build a strong foundation for success. Once you have your schedule, break down complex topics into smaller, manageable sections. This makes learning less daunting and more effective. Aim to practice a minimum of 20 problems daily to reinforce your understanding and improve your speed. Additionally, solve past board exam papers from the last 5 years. This helps you identify common question patterns and understand the exam format. For effective learning, always focus on conceptual clarity rather than just memorizing formulas. Understanding the why behind each concept is crucial. Maintain a dedicated formula sheet for quick review before each study session, which saves time. Make sure to review difficult topics weekly, spending at least 1/4 of your study time on areas where you need improvement. Consistency is key. On exam day, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before for optimal focus and mental clarity. During the exam, read all instructions carefully and manage your time effectively, allocating appropriate minutes per question. Stay calm and confident in your preparation. Remember, a positive mindset can make a significant difference. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to help you stay comfortable and focused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.